Hi, today we're going to learn more about how you can create your very own cookie bar with AiTrillion. To create your cookie bar, you need to log into AiTrillion and then in the left-hand side navigation bar, go to announcement bar and then to the dashboard. In the announcement bar dashboard, ensure that the app status is set to on and then click on create new. Under create new, enter a bar name. So I'm going to call it cookie bar. And then you can select a type of bar. In this case, of course, it's going to be the cookie bar. Click Save. Once you click Save, it's going to open up the configuration settings for your the cookie bar that you have just chosen. The first setting is going to be the templates. So choose a template. Do not worry, you can change the font, you can change the design later, but a basic template, choose any one of your choice. So for example, if I was to choose this blue one, it shows me a preview on the top here as to what the template is going to be all about. For this example, I'm going to choose the black one. I'm then going to click on content to choose the content. You can change your messaging here. You can add a button label and then a URL address. So you could say www.example.com/cookie policy. Now, this example that I am putting in is not a real example. This is just for this video. But you can put in any cookie policy page that you may be having. If you do not have a cookie policy page or you do not want to mention a cookie policy page, remove the button label and then the URL web address that you put in. You can change the accept button name. So let's say I can call it I'm in. Once you're happy with all your settings, go to the design. You can change the background color, the font size, the font alignment. You can also change the font family that the cookie bar uses. The button style, of course, you want a square button or a rounded button. So let's say I want to choose this file, and then maybe if I want to change the background color, I want to make it a slightly on the, now that's good for me. So you understand the gist of it. You get the gist of it. You just have to configure it exactly the way you want. You can change the width. You can change the bar pairings, font size, font weight. You want a bolder font. You want a normal font, maybe a lighter font, anything you like. You can customize it absolutely no end. In addition to the template, you can choose a background. So I chose the black one earlier with the background, but I can always change it from here. I can upload a custom file up to a maximum of 4 megabytes as per my choice. So for this example, I'm going to choose the red one, and that looks good to me. And then I'm going to go to the behavior. The behavior allows me to choose an animation. So you see, you can choose marquee circular, a blink button text if you're using the button to for the cookie policy page. You can choose the display on pages. So you want it on all pages, home pages, a specific page with URL. You want choose the bar position, so a top position, a bottom position. You want to choose an embedded code option, so you want to use it at specific places, or you can use an auto inject code, which is by default what you should have. In addition to that, you want the cookie bar. If you're using the cookie bar accept button, you can choose whether you want to open it on a new tab or a single tab. Link on full bar text. You want to hide it on mobile, hide it on desktop. You want to put a cancel icon. So if I choose a cancel icon, you see it allows me to close the bar. Once I've made all my settings, I can schedule the bar to, if I want it to appear immediately, I save. If I want to schedule it for a particular date and time, I can schedule the bar. And then I click save. So once my cookie bar settings are saved and it says cookie bar has been updated successfully, I can actually go to my website, and on the website, when you launch it for the first time, it'll show you the cookie settings. That's the cookie bar that I created. It shows you two just for example, but the red one is the one I created. That is how you create a cookie bar. Thank you and have a great day.